Let's see, one other thing is this is a little bit messy right now in terms of like just everything is in one file. So what we want to do is we want to actually separate things into different files. So I'm going to create a myutil or maybe miscutil.py file. Okay, so we will put these ones in here. So these functions that used to be just hanging out on their own, we'll delete them from here, we'll put them here. We'll need to import numpy. Okay, great. And then audio processor will need to be its own thing. sp audio processor.py. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, and then main plot canvas will need to be its own thing. We'll call it main plot canvas.py. Maybe not very creative, but all right, let's delete that. sp main window.py, paste. Okay, so close that, save that. Okay, so this still will not do, this will crash. We'll need to take these imports and put them somewhere else. We'll put this numpy set error over here so that it's at the top. Okay. And then we'll of course have a bunch of modules that we didn't use. So okay, this will crash, we just want to know where. Audio processor is not defined. Okay. Thus we will need to, we do from audio processor import audio processor. The reason why it's called that is because we have literally in here we have a file called audio processor.py. So we have an audio processor.py file. That's the from audio processor part. This is from and then the name of the file, but don't put .py after it. Just the name of the file. And then import, and then the thing you want to import. In this case, the thing we're importing is this class. So if the file was named something else, we would name it, we would put something else here. But if the class was named something else, we would put something else here. So just for those who are not aware. And then, let's see, so that resolves that. And then PyDob is not defined in audio processor. Yeah, so we'll need to, audio processor, we'll need to move some of the imports over, of course. Whoops. Okay, I believe we use numpy in here too. Import numpy. I just don't want extra unused imports in there, so I didn't just copy paste all the imports. Main window is not defined. Okay, so let's do sp main window. Okay, from main window import main window. You do that. Okay. Qt widgets is not defined. Aha, so for that one we need to copy the widgets over this import. Okay. Main plot canvas is not defined, and that's in here. So we do from main plot canvas import main plot canvas. Cool. Figure canvas Qt, whatever. Okay, So this is where we need all this other stuff. We will actually need all these. So let's split screen main plot canvas, and we'll paste those in. NumPy is not defined. Main plot canvas. Oh, nice. Okay. Import NumPy. Node2Freak is not defined. Okay. So this would be from the audio processor class. Audio processor. Okay. Line 32 in calc frame. Let's close these. SP audio processor. Okay, so we import misc-util, and misc-util is also a name. What is this? Okay, this is also like, so misc-util is where we keep these Node2Freak functions. So you see misc-util.py, so we import misc-util. So when you have a Python file that can be imported like this, that's called a Python module, for those who don't know. Okay, and then Node2Freak. Here we go. Oh, come on. Anyway, oh, here it is. Okay, so let's put misc-util dot. So because it's defined in this module, you need to prefix it with that name. You could also do from import, but it depends on. Sometimes it's more clean to use. Oftentimes it's actually more clean to use this syntax rather than just from import, but in some cases, if there's only one item in a file, like from audio processor, import audio processor, right? That's clean. But if there's multiple utilities in here, then it's cleaner to use this. Okay, Node2Freak. Let's see, I think that's, is that it? I think that's it. Okay, where are we now? Okay, let's see where else it crashes. And then main plot canvas needs to be updated with that. Misc-util dot, and then freak to note. Come on, Vim, what is this? Freak, okay, misc-util. Actually, Vim usually does not misbehave like this. I think it's the Windows version of Vim that does this. I'm so used to doing this on Unix. Okay. All right, misc-util. Oh, we need to import it, don't we? Yeah, so import misc-util. Great. Oh, sound device. Okay, so this is main plot canvas. We'll do this, import sound device. Ooh, yay. Okay, so basically we can seek in time, which is great. Okay, now we can't generate note is also in misc-util. Main plot canvas. See, generate note. Okay, misc-util dot. Okay, so let's try that again. That crashed on us. And when it crashes, often it won't just crash. It'll crash, but it'll take some seconds. So you're like, oh, why is it stuck? Great. Okay. Let's see, spacebar. Okay, good. So everything seems to work. I might have missed something, but okay. And finally, because we don't really use most of these imports in here, we use sys. NumPy we kind of need because we need to set the error flag. And then and that's it, I think. Okay, so just take out unused imports. Oh, never mind. Some of them are used. Okay. Okay, Qt widgets. Are we just using the application? Is that what it seems like? So we can take out the other import. Okay, well, here we go. So this is the fruit of our labor. And you can see about MIDI note number 69. And that other note, and then this note. Yeah, so it's quite fun doing audio processing with Python. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope to see you around. I hope this helped.